Muchas gracias, amigos. Yo, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Marco coming at ya.
And your boy Alvin, guys. Today we have a banger for you.
As you guys know, we are the online mystery box gods, undeniably. I think we can all agree with that.
Yeah, self-proclaimed, but we can all agree with that.
This video is not sponsored by any of these sites. We're putting our own money, so smash that like button down below, guys.
And hit that subscribe button so you can join the Cloud Juice gang. You can get yourself some Cloud Juice merch at cloudjuicemerch.com right here.
Exactly, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. So for today, guys, we're gonna be trying something out. Guys, we have a total of $400. Now,
400 smack.
4 different sites. We got Prime Unbox, Hype.com, Pack, and Hypedrop, ladies and gentlemen. I know a lot of you guys love Hypedrop, and we're bringing it back for today's video. They have made some major improvements of what they have told me. So today we're gonna be testing it out. Ladies and gentlemen, how we're gonna start it though, $100 each on each site. So we're gonna see which site gives us the most profit.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot, because the person who wins rock, paper, scissors, shoot gets to pick their 2 sites they want to play on.
You're not training Super Saiyan. It's not happening, bro. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get to choose. See, I'm always a god, man. You know, you lost your touch with the online mystery boxes and so much more, bro. So, ladies and gentlemen, I get to choose between Prime Unbox. We got Hypedrop. We got Pack. And we freaking got Hype. All right. So I think I'm gonna go with Hypedrop #1, and I'm gonna go with Prime Unbox. I think those are gonna be my top 2. Now I do want to start this video with Hypedrop. So I'm gonna go with Hypedrop since it's been so freaking long, and I'm excited to actually get back on the site. As you guys can see.
Are you gonna go for a big box straight away, or are you gonna go?
I'm going for big boxes. I don't want to do $2, $3 boxes. I think we should go for big boxes in general.
Savage.
So this site, they have made some changes, as you guys can see, and also it says here improved. Now let's see what this improve button means, because I'm actually pretty curious. Obviously, all these sites are provably fair.
Perfection.
We've worked with every single site. All these sites are legit. Okay, so it just says improved.
I guess it's just telling you that it's been improved. It's been fixed. It's been
there's a couple. Okay, but wait.
There
says 40% profit. So I guess you got a 40% chance of getting profit. Ooh,
what?
That's dope. So they're being very clear with everybody. So they're saying 10% chance of getting profit on this box, 40%. So you already know your boy is not gonna risk it. We're going high balling, all right? We're going high balling, all right? So I'm not gonna go any of the older ones. I want to go for the new and improved boxes. Okay.
You said balls.
You're such a child, you know that.
You said balls.
I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna go for the Supreme 40%. That's $80, and I have $100, so I can open a $80 box and a $20 box.
Who does that? That's so boring.
Shut up, okay? I know what I'm doing. Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself.
$100 straight.
Now let's see what you can get in this.
I'm just trying to help.
All right, so the worst thing you can get in this box is the melodic. What? That's the worst thing?
The piano?
The piano? That's not bad.
The piano?
If we get that, I'm ordering it. Even though it's the worst thing, I'm actually gonna order it. Like, that's crazy.
Hey, we have that skateboard right there.
Oh shit.
Right over there.
Also, I believe Hypedrop, you do not have to pay for shipping for like expensive items like this.
So that's why the prices are a little bit higher.
Okay, okay. All right, let's go ahead and purchase this box. Oh, and the sound effects real quick. I'm putting the volume up. Yo, I'm a little excited. Also, if you guys do want to see a full Hypedrop video, make sure to smack that YouTube like button.
And if we get 3,000 likes, we will spend $1,000 on Hypedrop.
We'll spend $1,000 and we'll do a giveaway. How about that?
Ooh, the item that we get will be the giveaway.
Exactly. So smash that like button down below. We also do have a giveaway going on right now. All
if you haven't entered, guys,
will be in the description.
Travis Scott Lowe's. Go ahead and enter that, right?
Here it goes.
Hypedrop.
Come on.
A long time.
Oh my God. Hypedrop, please. Okay. Okay. No. Stop. Ah. All right. I thought we were gonna get the skateboard. Alright, so we got the melodica. I saw that coming. Alright, we're gonna keep that. I'm actually gonna order it because that's actually really freaking interesting. Like, I actually wanna order that. And I'm pretty sure that's worth more than 43 or 70 bucks.
I'll pop up an image right here.
Let's see how much that's worth. Alright, so I have $20 left, so I'm gonna go ahead and open a $20 box. I'm gonna go with the off-white box, 10%. All right, so let's see what we can get in here. So, so we could get an off-white little case, which is whack.
Cases. I like cases.
But man, if we could get this t-shirt or even the sock, we're balling. Like, we're literally balling.
I have those.
So, let's go ahead and open one of these right away. Come on.
What? You didn't even wait. You didn't even give it to Lux.
Give me the case. I don't need to give it Lux. Oh my God, they got the MCAs.
Wait.
No sock. Oh my God. Aw, we got the case.
Okay.
All right, that is Hypedrop for you guys. We got the Melodica. Didn't do amazing, but
Melodica? Is that really what it's called?
I think, yeah, that's what it's called, Melodica.
Wow.
Alright, so we're gonna go into Prime Unbox. Now, Prime Unbox
is a little different.
So we have $100 to play with, okay? And I'm not putting the automation button. I'm just going with my own fingers.
Automation? You mean automation?
Let's go. Come on. Please bless me today, Prime Unbox.
I don't think you're gonna do that well. Sorry to tell you.
Oh, God. Alright, so that's our
Walmart watch.
Come on, please. Please, bro. Just bless us
Technically,
today.
if you get a purple.
A pink would be nice. All right, last box already, bro. That's crazy, bro. Come on.
And
not a blue. At least a pink. At least a pink. Okay, we got a purple.
And you guys say he has the golden hands. He didn't make the money back for even one of the boxes.
Shut the f up. Let's see what you're gonna do. I really want to see what you're gonna do.
Spit on my lip.
Box is ready.
A Nintendo Switch.
Come on.
Or a gift card for a Nintendo Switch.
I'll take that Samsung Gold TV right.
Damn it. I thought it was.
Alright, $10. I made my money back. Alright, at least I made my money back on that one.
Magica! Oh, guys. It's my turn. As you guys can see, we are on Pack. But I don't know if I want to go with Pack first or if I want to go with Hive. I think we're going to go with Pack first, guys. We have not played in Pack in a minute. I'm going to open $100 exact. So I have found a pack that I want to do. It is a cheap pack. It is $69. It comes out to about 72. I don't know why, or 71. But it's got some pretty sick items.
So a Supreme pack.
And I think no, this is
We've
not
opened this one for sure.
No, I don't think this is a pack where I pulled the box logo from. If you guys haven't watched that video, I pulled the box logo. So don't stop calling me that I'm not the golden hands anymore.
But that was a long time ago.
Shut your face. Have you ever pulled gold? I didn't think so.
Always says the same thing.
$71. Let's go ahead and go straight into this pack.
Let's see what this man can do today.
I'm gonna do it. You're gonna shut your face. I'm gonna do it right now.
If you actually... What is that?
Supreme LV.
Oh my God.
Monogram pillow! Oh my God! I am sick! You can never say anything to me. The LV monogram pillow. You can never say crap to me. Suck my monkey nuts!
Oh, yes, Daddy.
I'm out of this bitch. I quit the video.
Wait, how much is that worth?
That's $2,000!
What the f? Oh my God! What? What?
So what am I? Who am I? Can you say it out loud for the camera? I need them to hear. I want them to hear this. Say it! I need them to hear this. I need them to hear this right now.
Bro, is this real? Shut the f
Say it to the camera.
$2,090.
Say it. Who am I? Who am I? Say it to the camera. Say it to the freaking camera right now. Who am I?
I've never even seen that before. It's Supreme LV. What do you want me to say?
Say Alvin is the golden.
Alvin is the golden hands, okay? I don't care.
Thank you.
Go.
I have $30 left on Pack, and we have a whole $100 to spend, and I have already multiplied, triple-plied, double-plied my money. Guys, so after that insane pull, I have about $30 left, but there's nothing that is $30 on the website.
I don't even think we should continue gambling at this point.
$38 for this pack. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm pushing the boundaries a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and go for it. Boom.
I am so surprised.
Right here. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes.
You can't get nothing good there. You can't. It's just not gonna happen.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope though. I really like that. That's a little lamplight.
Oh, dope. I think that's for $30.
How much is that?
38 bucks.
I made the exact same money back. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are into Hype, the fourth website of the day. I'm gonna go in this one knowing that I've already won this challenge, and I'm just gonna spend $100 flat. I don't care what it is. We're gonna go for this off-white premium box. It is $99.35.
Damn, you're going all straight like that?
And the items you can get are pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, pretty sick. I would not mind getting these.
All right.
$99.35 for this box. Let's go ahead and do this, guys. It's gonna be so sick. I'm about to pull it.
You got purple there.
Hey!
Oh wow.
Jordan!
You made your money back.
Not bad. I am sick today, ladies and gentlemen. I am on a roll. That is
What?
so dope.
Ladies and gentlemen, wow. I cannot believe my eyes.
I just want to say it.
I was not expecting that.
I want people to know it. I am the golden hands. I'm sorry I had to pop it up like that today, but I will never let you guys call me not golden hands anymore. This guy,
all right,
forget this guy. I'm the golden hands.
Okay, that's fine. You know what? I give it to you. That was
I actually
that was
appreciate
freaking crazy,
I know that was pretty sick,
bro. I'm gonna be. I saw it.
Okay,
no, I'm like I saw it. I'm like, okay, LV, a pillow, LV. I've never seen it before, and then I saw the price, $2,000. What? Out of a $400 investment, we made like $2,500 back, basically. That's crazy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. This has been crazy. If you guys want more unboxings, you guys want more litty titty content,
hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and
button.
do not miss out because we are posting every Wednesday and every Saturday, guys. Do not forget.
3 p.m. EST.
And
we love you guys.
See you at Sneaker Games.
Peace.
LOL.